You're a sick, sick bird.
I am?
Man, you are sick. Sick, sick, sick. You are sick. What you need is a mineral bath. Oh, to dance. Now you're in a big fat trance.
I am? Okay, so I'm in a trance.
Palabra mágica. Te veré en unos 20 minutos. Me resulta conocida esa música. Oh. Algo me huele a comida. Y está por aquí. No, por allí. Por aquí, por allí. Aquí, allí, aquí.
In all my years,
Yeah, I know. This is the first time this has ever happened.
Which way to go? Which way to go? Which way to go? I'm coming to get you, you woody wood knacker, you. Come out, woody wood knacker. I know you is in there.
I got him. I got rid of the woodpecker. I better get her to the hospital. Here we are, sir. Hop right in.
Hey, this water's getting hot.
Sulfur bath, son.
What are these?
Soap chips. Eau de la carrot scent. Meet you.
Frankly speaking, Frankie, let's be frank and shake.
That's just strength there, Governor.
Oh, you heard the man. Stand back, Buster.
Progress?
A bear, a cow, a moose.
He saw a bird, egghead.
Oh, you saw a bird egghead. No. Look here, you. I don't want any more fish-boochin' penguins in my...
Gee, did I do that?
You don't know your own strength. Quite a boy you got there, Governor.
Do say.
He ought to try his luck with the Australian.
Oh, a woodknacker bird.
A woodpecker, stupid.
Oh, so that's it. You saw a woodpecker?
Funciona! Minha maior invenção, meu temperador mecânico de frango.
Yummy, yummy. A big, fat, luscious woodpecker.
Iré a buscarla. Ahí lo tienes. No miro.
Right. Yeah. Bon voyage, lover boy. Now, assist the lady. That's it.
Where's the takeoff?
Oh, that was just a dry run. First, you gotta pass the rigid space fitness test.
Aquí está.
Triturador de basura.
¿Quién conectó el triturador de basura? ¡Oh! Bueno, no todo está perdido.
Thank you. My lecture today shall pertain to the cult of voodooism.
Telegram for Mrs. Bettina Blabber.
Quiet, young man. I'm on the air. Voodoo is still practiced in the more primitive...
Este carpintero va a estar sabrosito. Me cuesta esperar.
Rock-a-bye baby in the treetop.
Esa tonada se pega fácil. ¿Qué es?
Para dormir, bebitos.
¿Para dormir bebitos? Oh, no.
¿Cómo voy a comer de todo? ¡Hey! Aquí no hay nada que comer.
Ahora sí lo hay. Oh, este pájaro va a estar delicioso. No puedo esperar para comérmelo.
Oh, speak to me, Gertrude. Oh, what can I do for you?
Ooh, just get me some food. Lots of food. First, get me a chicken. Oh. Now I want a fish. Oh, now I'll have some apple pie.
¿Aquí el arca de Noé?
Charlie, te dije que lavaras los platos con jabón.
¿Cómo lo sabría?
Lo intentaré de nuevo con goma. ¡Hey, muchacho! Mira esto.
¡Otro billete!
Está caliente el día.
Mantente fresco. El bistec de ciénaga está casi listo.
¡Ah! Este día está encendido.
Please, a little more on the left shoulder blade.
Okay, smart guy. I'm gonna give you the old locomotive charge. Cut it out, stupid. I am not a chicken. So maybe I should knock some sense into your head. I must find this chicken plucker a chicken.
¿Qué les parece eso? Acabo de comer la cena.
Ahí lo tienes. Bistec de ciénaga especial.
Oh, oh,
Ahora dale una mordida.
eso mismo pienso yo.
and you're the best daddy in the whole world.
Big deal. Someday I'm gonna cook that goose.